So we have with us CS HOD, Hemalata ma'am. So ma'am, what do you think about hackathons in general, ma'am?
Hackathon, it is a technical event where the students of engineering colleges normally they come under one common platform so that they can provide an innovative creative solution
Yeah.
for the current issues which we are facing right now.
Yeah.
And of course it is a platform where students with a limited time frame they can come up with their collaborative innovative creative ideas so that they can upskill themselves in terms of technology.
Yeah. And why do you think students should take part in hackathons?
The reason behind students to need to take participation or need to register for this hackathon is they can upskill themselves. They can come up with problem solving skills. They can improve their portfolio. They can put forth in front of the employer, showcasing that these are my capabilities.
Yeah.
And of course, they can learn the communication, team building will be an added advantage, and networking gets built up.
Yeah.
And beyond all these things, coding skills also can be one major aspect for being a part of such hackathon competitions.
Yeah. And do you think the themes which we have chosen can tackle the problems of Bangalore, ma'am?
It is not only the themes which we have put forth, but beyond that, as a whole, all these themes will definitely provide a solution in one or the other way.
Yeah.
Definitely fostering the Bangalore issues, what we are currently facing. All these individual themes will definitely play an important role in providing a solution to our current problems, what we are facing.
What do you think problems of Bangalore, ma'am?
Of course, traffic congestion, that is a
Yeah.
major problem. Air pollution,
Yeah.
waste management,
Yeah.
healthcare,
Yeah.
public transportation. Of course, there are many as well.
Yeah, we hope that students come up with nice ideas to overcome all these problems.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hope so that students, of course, do participate in these hackathon competitions, and we expect a lot of students to come with their simulated models, definitely, which plays an important role. And Bangalore will definitely get a solution through
Yeah.
our hackathon competition.
Sure, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank